Hi friends, this is Uma. Good morning. Now currently I am working as senior chemistry lecturer Sri Gurukul Vidyalayam College of Science, Kasibugga Palasa Town, Srikakulam District, Andhra Pradesh State. Okay. Today I would like to explain part 19 of structure of organic molecules, which is subtopic of GOC. 1 minute. Okay. In part 9 we will see bond length. It is bond parameter. Clear? That means part 9 is a continuation for the part 18. In part 18 what we discussed is bond parameters. How many bond parameters are present? 4. Bond length, bond energy, bond, tell me sir, bond length, bond energy, bond order and bond angle. Today we will see bond length. Bond length. So bond length, tell me sir, first point definition. It is over in part 18. Okay. Second one, units. It is also over. Third one, factors affecting on bond length. Okay, this is very important for JEE and NEET. What are the factors? First factor is, tell me sir, electronegativity. Second factor is S character. Third factor is size of atom. Fourth factor is presence of lone pair of electrons. Last factor, delocalization of electrons. These are the 5 factors. Okay. Now we will move to electronegativity. Okay. That is EM. Okay. What is electronegativity? Electronegativity concept, total concept we have to see in periodic classification and in periodic table. You know what is electronegativity? Tell me sir. Yes. The attracting power of bonded electrons towards itself is known as electronegativity. Clear sir? That means what? Attracting power of bond electrons towards itself. For example, HF. One bond contains how many electrons are? 2 electrons, no doubt. These are bonded electrons. These bonded electrons are shifted, or attracting power of bonded electrons towards itself. That atom is known as electronegativity atom. So Fluorine electronegativity value 4.0, hydrogen nearly 2.0. That means these two electrons shifted towards or attracting power of bond electrons towards fluorine atom. That's why fluorine atom has high electronegativity element, hydrogen has less electronegativity element. Among the all elements, which element has higher electronegativity element? Fluorine. That value how much, sir? 4.0. Okay, na? Next trick, small trick. Bond length is inversely proportional to electronegativity. Bond length is inversely proportional to electronegativity. Okay, sir? That trick you have to remember. That means electronegativity decreases, bond length increases, or vice versa. Electronegativity increases, bond length decreases. Clear? And one point we have to remember, sir. This point comes in periodic classification of elements. This point we have to remember here. In periodic table, periods from left to right, electronegativity decreases. Group in period from left to right, electronegativity we move from left to right, electronegativity decreases. In group, top to bottom, electronegativity, I made mistake, sir. In a period, left to right electronegativity increases. In a group, from top to bottom, electronegativity decreases. Okay? This point we have to remember, sir. Table means what, sir? Horizontal rows and, tell me, sir, vertical columns. Horizontal rows we called as periods. Vertical columns we called as groups. We know that, I think. Horizontal rows we called as period, vertical columns we called as group. That is when period from left to right, we have to use one word, from left to right. We move from left to right. In a group, we move top to bottom. Clear? So generally left to right electronegativity increases, top to bottom electronegativity decreases. Clear? Now see examples. Example 1, HF, HCl, HBr, HI. Bond length of HX. X means what, sir? Halogen atom. F, Cl, Br, I, nothing but X, halogen atom. We want bond length order. HX, HF, HCl, HBr, HI. Which one is more bond length? Which one is less bond length? Or we have to write bond order, bond length order. Tell me, sir. See here, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. This is 7A group element, that is 17th group element. We know that, all of you. It is a group from top to bottom. From top to bottom, electronegativity, what, sir? Decreases. Electronegativity decreases means what, sir? Electronegativity decreases, bond length increases. Tell me, sir, which one is highest bond length? Which one is lowest bond length? Fluorine atom, electronegativity high. That means bond length low. I atom, iodine atom, electronegativity less, bond length more. That means this is order. HI bond length is more than that of remaining all these things. Clear? Okay. Second application. Sorry. CH3H CH2 ClH CH Cl ClH C Cl Cl ClH. Tell me, sir, HCH bond length order. CH bond length order. Tell me. See, sir, here electronegativity atoms 0. Here 1 chlorine atom is present. Here 2 chlorine atoms are present. Here 3 chlorine atoms are present. Electronegativity atoms increases. That means what? Electronegativity also increases. That means what? Bond length what, sir? Decreases. Both are what, sir? Inversely proportional. Electronegativity increases, bond length decreases. Tell me, sir, which CH bond is more bond length? Why, sir? Electronegativity less. There is no electronegativity atoms. That means electronegativity less. That means bond length is more. Here 3 electronegative atoms are present. 3 electronegative atoms are present. That means more electronegativity. More electronegativity means what, sir? Less bond length. I hope you can understand. Clear? This is about electronegativity. Shall I move second factor? Okay. S character. S character. Okay. Nothing but hybridization. Tell me, sir, organic compounds undergoes 3 types of hybridization. What are they? sp3, sp2 and sp. Clear? In sp3 hybridization, what is the S character? Simple, sir. S character. Total percentage 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 total. 1 plus 3 4. In 4, S part 1, sir. Over 1 by 1 4. This is what, sir? 0.25. We want percentage. That means we have to multiply it with 100. That means 25%. In sp3 hybridization, tell me, sir, S character how much? 25%. Similar way, tell me, sir, in sp hybridization S character, tell me. Total 1 plus 1. S part 1. This what, sir? 1 by 2. 0.5. Into 100, we get percentage, that is 50%. S character how much? 50%. Similar way, in sp2 hybridization, S character 33.3%. Clear, sir? Nice. Please remember, in sp3 S character 25%, sp2 33.3, in sp 50%, in sp 50%. Clear, sir? 50%. So, trick. S character is directly proportional to electronegativity, sir. Tell me, sir. Therefore, bond length is inversely proportional to S character. We know that. Bond length inversely proportional to electronegativity. Nothing but S character. I hope you can understand. Huh? So, this point you have to remember. Bond length is inversely proportional to S character. Shall I move to examples? First example, C single bond, C double bond, C triple bond. Tell me, sir. CC bond length order. CC bond length order. Tell me, sir. Single bond carbon undergo test, sir. sp3. Double bond carbon sp2. Triple bond carbon sp. S character how much, sir? 25%. Here 33.3%. Here 50%. S character increases, bond length decreases. So less S character, that means the CC bond is more bond length. Here triple bond has more S character, sp hybridization, that means its bond length is less. Good. Bond length order, tell me, sir. Nice. Example 2. Okay, I want CC bond, CH bond length. CH bond length. Tell me, sir. Very easy. Tell me. So you have to think this carbon undergoes single bond carbon, that is sp3. This carbon undergoes double bond, that is what, sir? sp2. This carbon undergoes dash hybridization, sp hybridization. Tell me, sir. S character more, bond length less. S character less, bond length more. So bond length, CH bond length, how much, sir? I mean order. This one. See, sir, first example, experimentally C single bond C single bond C bond length 1.54 angstroms, sir. Double bond 1.34 angstroms. Triple bond 1.21 angstroms. These values please remember, sir. That number of bonds increases, bond length also decreases. See, sir, single bond 1.54, triple bond 1.21. Clear, sir? Yes. Now two factors are completed. One is electronegativity, second one is S character. With your permission, I can stop here. Next video we will see other factors. Thank you. Bye bye.